Hello everyone. So this is a video about Power Platform where we will show you how to create a mobile application from an image. So when you go to the Maker portal in Power Platform, there you see this option image. It's currently in preview and we are going to give it a test. So click on this button over here. And here we will see several examples of what our mockup should look like that we are going to use in our test. So it gives you some recommendations. It needs to be a clear form, a one-page form with light background. It shouldn't be larger than 4 megabytes and so on. Okay, so let's click on next. And here we need to give our app a name. Let's call it test form. And the image, we can have our own image if we want, if you have created something, or we can also have a sample image. And if you click on this option, you will see several examples that we can use, like a registration form or an event survey, for example. I also created one form of my own, and I'm gonna upload that in a moment. And there we go. And now it asks me what the format should be. We have a tablet and we have a phone application. And this is like a broader image, so it's suggests me to use a tablet format. We'll click on next. And what it will do now is it will analyze our image. This is a mockup that I created in Balsamiq, which is a mockup tool. You see that I have several labels over here, and they are marked with an orange border. And you will see here this is a text label. These are text input fields, and they are green with a green border. And then we have this in red here. This is a drop down. What I do see here though is that this should have been a date picker and it marked it as a text input field. So what we can do is we can click on here and then you will see that you have several different components which you can choose from. And there's also a date picker in there. So we are going to use that. There we go. There's also some extra information here, some guidance about different types of fields and stuff like that, which can also be interesting if you don't know that. Then we click on next. And here it says, okay, so the data that's going to be inputted in your form needs to go somewhere, and we can create a table in Dataverse, or we can skip it for now and we can do it later. But I have noticed that when you don't do that, it seems yeah, like it doesn't create a form for some reason. So what I will do is I will create a table in Dataverse. We'll click on next. And here you will see that these things, they are now marked as a column, and columns will be created with these data types: text, text, date, text, text, in our resulting app. So this looks good to me. Again, there's some information here if you want to look at that. And let's click on, oh, so it says that a table already exists. Yeah, that's probably because I created this table before in my test. So let's click on save. There we go. And we'll click on next. And we'll click on create. And what it will do now is it will create the app. And we'll just give it a moment. We'll just keep waiting a little bit so you know that it doesn't really take that much time to create the app. So it's loading the app up now. And we're done. So now we have a simple form here. As you can see, the form is created, and here are the cards with the different fields in there. We also have our button, and it also has a submit form to save the form. So you can test it here if you want. There we go. Obviously, there's still a lot of work that needs to happen here in terms of look and feel, but the idea is good, I think, because you can quickly create a simple form from an image, and it's something that business users will probably also uh, find interesting to create quick apps. So that's it for now. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Bye bye.